Hello friends. In this video we are going to discuss about how we can trim the unnecessary part from our YouTube videos using Video Editor of YouTube Creator Studio. So just click on the Content tab from the left side. Then click on the pencil button of the video that you want to edit. Then from the left side just click on the Editor tab. So this is the main interface of YouTube Video Editor. For getting the exact time, just type your time here. So we are going to trim the 10 seconds from the video. Just click on the trim, you'll see the trim options here. Just click on split button and then from the line, drag the area. Let's select another area. Let's check how it will appear. If we click on the Save button directly, it will overwrite on the video. Just click on the three-dot button and click on the Save as New button. Then fill this information. If you want to delete this original file, just tick this box. This click on Save as New button. Check the video is trimmed. So in this way we can trim our videos using YouTube Video Editor. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.